The question is, how do I edit what I say I talk about on my LinkedIn profile? And it's real easy to do, but before I show you how to do it, hit that subscribe and notify button because I create all of these videos for you. Here it is right here. Here's where it says I talk about it. And you go lots of other people, you go look at their profiles, let's go look at a friend of mine. Here's Joe Saunders. She talks about LinkedIn, connection, networking, et cetera, et cetera. So how do I change that on my own profile? Well, there's no way to do it up here. You would hope it would be under the edit button, but it's not. You've got to go down to the resources section and go to creator mode, click on creator mode, and there it is right there. These are the hashtags that I have added of topics that I talk about. Now let's talk a little bit about what kind of keywords or phrases / hashtags you would possibly want to put under your topics section. First of all, you need to speak using words that are relevant and meaningful to your target audience. Coming up with little cliches, a little, cute phrases that resonate and make you feel good may not be important or beneficial to you or to your target audience. So you might want to do a little research and see what kind of hashtags and phrases and keywords others are using that, again, resonate with your target audience, meaningful to your target audience, and then again, relevant to who you are and what you do for your target audience. Now, I could put phrases like LinkedIn guru, LinkedIn guide, I could put sensei and all those cute little phrases into my topics section, but none of that resonates or is meaningful / important to my target audience. So I did some research to find the phrases that I thought, based on the research, that are really important to my target audience, and those are the phrases that I put in my topics section. Again, I'm trying to speak using the words that are important and relevant to my target audience. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn sales navigator, strategist, trainer, and coach, and I hope this is helpful for you.